What I would do to enjoy this song with you again. This weekend is going to be dramatic.
इतनी गर्मी, God, I'm already sweating. और ये क्या चल रहा है? Change the channel now.
बस 2 मिनट लगते ना for you to start bickering. और चैनल वैनल कोई नहीं बदल रहा. Seat belt. अरे क्या रिया?
There's a place where lovers go to cry their troubles away, and they call it Lonesome Town, where the broken hearts stay.
How's the food, uncle?
Excellent, beta. Your chole puri is even better than your mother's, to be honest. वैसे, I'm sorry I came in uninvited. I was.
अरे chill, uncle. मुझे पता है घर पे अकेले रहना कितना frustrating हो जाता होगा. पिछले 3-4 महीनों से since mom got relocated to Kolkata, I've been pretty bored and depressed myself. Guess it's time for me to get married, huh?
तुम बच्चे आजकल खूब रैंडम इन्फ्रेंसेस पे लैंड कर जाते हो. बस 2-3 विचारों का जायरा ले लिया और जनाब कूद जाते हैं कंक्लूजन वाले फनल में.
अरे अंकल, मैं तो ऐवी बोल रही थी. आप भी ना, आप अपना फिलॉसफी का गेम काफी अच्छा खेल लेते हो.
अच्छा अनीता बेटा, you know the other day I was watching TV, कोई English music channel actually. Couple of lines in some song I still can't get out of my mind. Goes something like this. I know you are not true. Why should I call your name when you're the blame for making me blue? वो टाइम पे ना I couldn't help but think of her. You know, for the longest time I lied to myself that this was the case, that she made me blue. And at one tipping point, suddenly denial becomes acceptance. And the truth only becomes more bitter. A little more compromise, a little less self-inflicted boredom and depression, and a lot less blue.
अरे what is this भिंडी यार? बहुत ज़्यादा नमक है इसमें. As it is that Subramaniam is crawling up my ass about those contractors' documents. और तुम हो कि you're increasing my BP with this killer भिंडी.
Stop cribbing, Arun. दिमाग में 20 चीजें चल रही होती है मेरे. I'm sorry, but खाने में ज़्यादा नमक doesn't make the bloody cut.
अरे अचानक तेरा गुस्सा रावण के पैर क्यों छूने लग गया यार? You need to find somebody else to deal with your office frustration. वैसे उस 5th floor वाले आंटी का क्या हुआ? Stop talking to that hag.
Office frustration? The only hag I see is the hypocrite sitting in front of me right now. मुझे तुमसे शादी करने का regret मत करवाओ अरुण. Do you need to be reminded what I'm capable of? और अगर तुम्हें अपने हेल्थ और बीपी के बारे में इतनी ही फिक्र है, then you should probably douse that cigarette out for good. What's with the stare, Arun? Is this the only way you know how to take out your frustration? Smoking?
Wait, it's Subraji. Hold on. Oh. Hello, Subraji. What can I do for you? अरे नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. No. These middlemen pricks ना can be really hard to handle sometimes. पर आप टेंशन मत लो, मैं निकाल लूँगा उनसे. हाँ पक्का. अरे रिया, सुब्राजी कॉल करता हूँ मैं. अरे रिया सुनो तो.
Pretty peaceful, isn't it?
8 in the morning is generally this peaceful, na? Shukla ji ka kutta can be a bit of a pain some mornings, though.
Oh yeah, I remember the last time I came here. I'm sorry, but that bitch just won't shush.
Look at us. We crib when it is there, and we miss it when it is not.
Oh, it's Ma. Hi Ma, how are you?
Hi Beta, how are you? I received the saris you sent me. I loved the green one. Thank you.
I'm so glad you liked it, Ma. So now tell me, how's it going? How's work? I miss you so much, Ma.
I miss you too, Anita. You know, Kolkata office needs your mother's expertise. It's been hectic. ये कोलकाता ऑफिस में सब लोग पागल हैं. No interest, no drive, nothing. No one can write here anything.
Oh, please, Ma. You've always held high standards as a critic.
ये क्या बात हुई अनीता? Bare minimum expectations या. अच्छा सुनो, वैसे the reason I called you बेटा, I've booked tickets for Bangalore tonight.
Tonight? Such short notice में you're telling me, Ma.
I just want to spend some time with you, that's all.
Is all okay?
Yeah, it's all good. I'll talk to you when I come to Bangalore.
Okay, Ma, send me the details. I'll pick you up.
I love you. Bye.
Love you too, Ma. So, it seems Ma is coming tonight to Bangalore. But I don't know, she sounded really conflicted.
I think I know why. Anita. It's been something we've been meaning to tell you for some time now. माँ से already बात हो चुकी है.
Do you think there's another way?
मुझे हमेशा लगता था that we last longer. Do you really feel that way, Arun?
Feel what?
Whatever you said कुछ देर पहले.
अब यार अचानक बात इतनी बढ़ गई कि I know I said things I shouldn't have said. रिया नाराजगी मुझे संभलती नहीं है अच्छी से. I'm sorry, but there is a void. इस चीज को ना अगर किसी दरवाजे के पीछे बंद कर सकूं, छुपा सकूं, because everything else has been so good. I mean, you're a part of every happy moment I can think of for the past.
तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है अरुण?
Problem ये है कि there's a small handful of such memories, Riya.
And I'm to blame for that.
See, हम हर छोटी चीजों पे लड़ने लगते हैं. I know I'm equally to blame, but it's just that I don't even feel like trying to fix things anymore, Riya. I'm sorry, but I think I just need some more time.
And what about a child, Arun? You leave her too.
Hey, Dad.
हाय बेटा, अंदर आ जा। वैसे रिया कहाँ है? वो नहीं आई बेटे?
उसका तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, Dad.
क्या छुपा रहे हो अरुण?
So what do you think I should do, Dad? क्या सेंस बनता है कि हम चलते रहें, जानते हुए कि we can never reduce the distance between us?
बेटे, मुझे नहीं लगता तुम्हें अपने शादी से ऐसे मुंह फेर लेना चाहिए। Nothing is beyond fixing. मुझे इस बात की रिग्रेट होती है कि I didn't realize that myself, despite having countless chances to back then.
ये सब बातें यार आप रिया को समझाना। बहस होके बैठी हुई होगी वहां पे।
Things are difficult for you and Riya, yes. Imagine ये कैसे play out करेगा जब तुम्हारा बच्चा होगा अरुण। Imagine having to grow up through a web of lies जो तुम और रिया उसके लिए छोड़ जाओगे। It doesn't feel even mildly satisfying doing it. It is very painful.
Is this something you've been doing to me all this while, Dad?
बेटे, आज ना तो महफिल दुरुस्त है और ना ही मौका। तो आई एम रियली सॉरी कि इन चीजों को ये सिचुएशंस में तुम्हें बताना पड़ रहा है। तुम्हारे और रिया के बीच भी अभी और मैं भी अभी इन सारी चीजों को और मुश्किल बना रहा हूं।
डैड, आप मुझसे क्या छुपा रहे हो?
आई एम सॉरी बेटे, बट दिस इज व्हाई
आप
मॉम।
क्या कहना चाहते हो? अनीता सही में मेरी बहन है।
अब तुम्हारे मम्मी का मेंटल कंडीशन भी खराब होए जा रहा था। एक वक्त के बाद आई डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू। I was just weak, in desperate need of some support.
But why, Dad? Why are you telling me all this now?
सबकी जिंदगी में एक मोड़ आता है जब उन्हें दो रास्तों में से एक चुनना पड़ता है। तब मुझे मानसी से बहुत सपोर्ट मिला। हमने उस वक्त बहुत बातें की। I would not have been able to handle it without her. You were so small then. किस्मत ने तब मुझे वो मौका ही नहीं दिया। I've always loved Mansi beta, and now I want to dwindle away my life with her.
ये आप क्या बोल रहे हो, Dad? मानसी आंटी, because of whom my mother killed herself. That woman you want to be with right now. And what am I supposed to say? What do you expect me to do? Does Anita know about all of this? Oh my God! The whole family is here. ये क्या ड्रामा है? तुम्हें ये सब पहले बताया गया ना, अनीता? And you chose to come back. वो भी इनके साथ. More baggage. Wonderful.
तमीज से बात करो अरुण. This is a lot for everybody to handle. You're not the only victim here. And what about him? This entire fiasco cost me a childhood without a father.
What about me? What about my mother?
अरुण, अनीता, सब शांत हो जाओ, प्लीज।
कुछ मत बोलिए।
अरुण,
I know how all of this sounds. To even expect you to absorb all of this and be okay with it right away is absurd. We understand.
but beta, at the time these were decisions we were forced to take. There were consequences, of course. But at the time we thought we could live with them.
We were wrong, beta. All these years of regret have reminded us of those wrongful decisions. Not anymore. Finally, we've summoned some courage. Please.
पिछले 2-3 दिन से यही सुन रही हूँ मैं माँ. I don't think I'll ever be old or mature enough to deal with this. All these years when I wanted a father, I never thought it would play out like this.
When we did what we did, we didn't think things would play out this way either. Arun, beta, you yourself are in a position of conflict right now. What you choose to do with your marriage, God forbid, can be a decision that you might regret all your life.
We're trying to make amends now. Clearly, too much, too late.
यार आप रिया को मत लाओ इन सब में. This is just too much to digest. I'm leaving.
No, Arun. Arun, beta, listen. Arun? I suppose you think the same too, Anita?
What were you expecting, Mom? For us to immediately be on board with this truth. And now you want to reunite with him.
I'm sorry, Anita. But I truly believe that every decision that I've taken in my life is keeping you and only you in mind. And it has been all too very difficult through these years. Not anymore.
Ma, you don't need my permission for anything in your life. Just give me some space. That's all I ask.
Didn't go quite as we would like it.
Time, Mansi. We have to keep faith in time.